Hello friends, some important questions for pharmacist exam. Topic pharmaceutical jurisprudence. Question number 1 or 2. Application for grant of license to manufacture Ayurvedic Siddha or Unani drugs require. For manufacturing of Ayurvedic Siddha and Unani formulations, Form 24D is required. Application for grant of a license to manufacture Ayurvedic Siddha or Unani drugs require Form 24D. Question 103. Private testing laboratory for carrying out test or drugs require Form 36. Private laboratories require Form 36 for carrying test on drugs. If any drug is to be tested, it should be tested according to Form 36. 104. Schedule M is related to GMP. GMP is nothing but good manufacturing process. Schedule M is related to good manufacturing process. Good manufacturing process deals with certain quality control terms and other conditions. 105. Injection syringe and needle are covered under Schedule C. Injection syringe and needle are covered under Schedule C. 106. Dettol comes under Schedule O. Dettol comes under Schedule O. 107. Schedule N states list of minimum equipment for efficient running of pharmacy. That Schedule N includes minimum equipments that are required for running a proper pharmacy or pharmacy environment needs certain types of equipments that should be mandatory under Schedule N. 108. Schedule C is related to list of biological and immunological products. Schedule C list of biological and immunological product. 109. Pharmacy Council of India contains or comprises DAS members from AICTE and UGC. 1 members. Pharmacy Council of India contain or comprise 1 member from AICTE and UGC. These are some important questions. Thank you friends. Like and subscribe our channel for further videos.